Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. So in this video I will show you that how you can create this side navigation bar by using HTML and CSS only. So as you can see, I have created this side navigation bar beautifully and we got some effects on that. So the moment you over your mouse on these menus, you can able to have this effects. So that's all I'm going to teach you in this video, that how you can create. So if you're interested, then make sure you watch this video till the end. So I'm going to build this entire side navigation bar from scratch. So let me remove this quickly. And let me reload my browser. As you can see, we have nothing in the browser. Let me reload it once again. So right now I don't have anything, and let me generate the boilerplate. So and simply I will type like side menu bar, and here I'm going to write the CSS file. So I will take the style tag, and this is the tag which I want to take. And here I'm going to implement the like font awesome, because I'm going to use font awesome icons. So I will paste the link here. And by the way, if you really want to have this entire document, so I have on my website, simply type $hussein HTML and you will come to this entire section and you can easily able to download it. And now let's go to the body section. So the very first thing I have to do to create the side navigation bar is to create a container. So I will type div.container container and I will hit enter. And inside this container I'm going to put all my like icons, or you can say it li. So I will take the anchor and I'm going to hit this and I will provide the link to this. And now I'm going to take I tag and I will click enter. Inside this I'm going to add a class because I have to use the font awesome icon. So I will type cls class, and here I'm going to provide the class name like font fa slash home home. So let me save it and show you how it's going to look. So as I will save and I will come to my website and I will reload, as you can see I have got the link. So this is the icon we are getting from font awesome. So let me quickly just duplicate this section because I want to display total 5 icons. So the icon here I want to display is trash, trash, trash. I hope I'm writing the right spelling. No, then I will search search. Then I will go with globe. Then I will go with, so the spelling was wrong, so let me cut this and let me reload this thing. So right now see, we have got all the icons. So now let's start doing the styling. So first thing, I'm going to target the container. So I will target the container by container container, and I will open the parentheses, and in this I'm first going to assign the width to this container. So I will set to width to going to be like 90 pixels. This is the width. And now I want to change the color of the background of this container. So I will take the background property of CSS and I'm going to take this background color and I'm going to provide this 262626. This will give a little dark color. I will reload this. As you can see, we have got the background color. Now let's move to the next section, which is a tag. So what I will do, I will target the container, then I will say a, because this is the tag we have to target. I'm going to target the anchor tag, so I will do this. And now in this first thing I will do, I will display block, so it will come in this way. Now let's move to the next part. I'm going to add the padding to around, like, let's say 16 pixels. Let's see. Yes, look good. Now text alignment is going to be center. It will come in the middle. Now let me change the color. So color, and I will add this white color because the background is black, so I have to add whites. Now let's increase the font size to be, say, let's say 35 pixels. Yeah, this will look good. So as you can see, now we are done with the settings. Like we have done with the container, we have done with the anchor icon positions. Now let's move to the some styling. So now I'm going to add a over effect on this menu. So if someone's over on this, so we will get the effect. So for that, what I have to do, I will simply target the container, I will take the a tags and I will put the over effect on this. So we are over, and I will say background color to be, for let's say background to be this green, dark green. If I save, as you can see, the moment I will over, I'm getting this over color. Let's add a transition to this, because as you can see, the moment I'm overing, it's getting very quick, so I need to add some transition. So what I have to do, transition, so I will add like all 0.4s easy in. So now we have a smooth transition. As you can see, smooth slow transition we have. Now let's move to the next part. This time what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a class. So as you can see here, I have to make this class active. So here I have to take another class. So I will take this and I will take a class and give a name active active, because I want to active this one, so that's why I'm taking this class. I will reload this and I will come here and I will target the class active active, and I will assign the background color to some things like yellowish, green yellowish, and I will save. So as you can see, now we have got the active class. So if I'm coming down, as you can see, we are getting this nice over effect and this section is active. So this is how you can design this amazing side navigation bar. So you can do the experiments. As you can see, I have tried to maintain this code as clean as it possible. There is a lot of way you can modify this and write this, the same thing you can write in a bigger code, but here I try to keep it simple because we have used the property of display. There are multiple properties which you can use it, but this is the more easier and convenient way. So padding, text alignment, color, font sign transition, for this effects we have used the over, like over on a tag, so when someone over we get this effect. Now we have an active. So that's it in this tutorial. I hope you have found this valuable, and if you want to get this source code, simply go to my website Daulat Hussain HTML, and where you have find everything about this codes. Download it, have a look from your end, and just check that how I have written the codes and how you can do the practice. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.